Today, let's take a look at Sunny, a composable DeFi yield aggregator on Solana. Sunny aims to be the main protocol that helps you manage all your yield farming strategies across Solana and beyond. Let's get into it. So the first thing I notice when I come to Sunny's page is the rewards tab on top. They give you a real-time feed of the rewards you're earning, plus a Sunny price feed. Right off the bat, I like that there is no extras or over-the-top theme. The interface is simple and to the point. Scrolling down, you see the different LPs you can provide. This is why I like Sunny more than most other yield farms. You get to earn crazy yields on like assets. You can get 178% on USDT and USDC, or 126% on MSOL and SOL, or my personal favorite, 400% on UST to USDC. As more people find out about this, you can expect these yields to go down, but right now, I believe we're still kind of early. At present, Sunny has $1.7 billion in total value locked, a market cap of just over 13 million, a circulating supply of 254 million, and a max supply of just under 20 billion. The token has only been out for about a week and pumped to about 10 cents before crashing with the rest of the market to its current price of 5 cents. So far, Sunny only supports Saber pools. So if you want to stake on Sunny, first, you must provide liquidity on Saber. Head to app.saber.so, then head over to their pools page. Select the pool you want to supply liquidity for, and then enter how much you want to supply. Once that's done, head back over to Sunny, scroll down, and deposit your LP tokens. As far as I've seen so far, there is no deposit or withdrawal fee, but there is a 16% performance fee that's applied to your Saber rewards earned. Over on their Twitter, they have about 12,000 followers and seem to engage every day. Plus, the community seems very engaged as well. So, as I always say, you should always do your own research. That's how you don't get wrecked. I'm still looking into this project. I've only done basic research into it, but so far, in my opinion, it seems worth dipping my toe into. I really like the fact that I can farm with like assets because I can just let my USDC and UST sit earning 400% for now and not have to worry too much about impermanent loss. At this point, I'm only using a very small amount though because I haven't been able to find any information about audits at all for this project. If I do, I'll update on my Twitter and let you guys know. The token itself is just your typical farm/government token, and I'm dollar cost averaging out every 2 or 3 days. Do you guys have any other projects you think I should cover? Let me know in the comments if you guys are on Solana yet. If not, you should definitely check out my video on making a Phantom wallet. I'll see you in the next video, and we can keep talking about getting more coins.